kendo nyakurom gajuang e chenro mar migago adhi mbele gi miweche manyantiere nyaka kaunti ma Siaya kama Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo oseyo udi ma igero e chuny bomano e yono ma ok dew ngima jopiny. Orengo wacho ni gedo machalo kod mago nyalo kelo masira kod tho kaluwore ni ok giluwore gi chike mag gedo. Kolosi apis mare kaunti ma Siaya e kinde keto kogno e orak mag tich mag jotend migepe e kaunti no, odwaro mondo migawo marango weche gedo non kendo okaw okang' modwarore kapok masira otimore.
There's another matter that I really want to deal with, and it concerns the CEOs in terms of project implementation in the course of the day-to-day and on other occasions. The work seemed to be certified without proper evaluation of what has been done in terms of materials supplied, in bill of quantities. So I'd urge us all, and particularly the CEOs, not to pay until you are certified that the work is being done properly. You certify, that the work has been done. You've heard about buildings coming down, and that is because probably the steel works were from material that was rusting or not quality material. So how we finish this work we are doing is very critical.